Today I will show you how to repair rips and scratches on your leather couches with common household items. I will give you hints and tips on how to repair and renew your leather couches and make them look new again. You can see here I have a small rip and a scratch thanks to my cat. She's a good cat, but loves to hang on the couch when trying to get away from the dog and occasionally will scratch up the couch. We are going to use super glue and a toothpick and nothing else to fix those rips and scratches on our leather couch. The technique used here is really the key to making this work. You will use the toothpick to pull back the leather that has been ripped or scratched, and use the toothpick to pull it back away from the underlaying fabric. Then dip the toothpick in the super glue and apply it to the underlaying fabric. You don't need too much glue. Once you have the glue, push the top leather back on top of the underlaying fabric and make sure it sticks to it. Let me show you again how I'm doing this. Peel back the leather, apply a little glue to the underlayment, and push the top leather that peeled off back on top. It really is that easy. Here we are dealing with a scratch. With scratches you might be missing some of the top leather, but follow the same technique on the spots with no leather. The glue will turn the fabric underneath darker and help camouflage it. Again, do not use too much glue, a little goes a long way. Just work the scratch until you hide it as best as you can. Scratches are a little trickier than rips, but they can be concealed with little work. This technique will work on small or large rips as long as you have the peeled off leather that you can glue back on. Using this technique, I have extended the life of my 14-year-old couches numerous times and have kept them looking as new as possible with a cat and a dog. Do not give up on your leather couch. You can repair most of these rips and scratches. Again, the key is to peel back the leather, apply the glue, and push the peeling leather back on top of the fabric. Sometimes I will use furniture markers on spots where there is no top leather or the spot has become faded. Obviously, the best method is to try and restore the peeled off leather and glue it down. With this repair, the super glue almost instantaneously holds and glues the leather for a long-lasting bond that will not peel off again. I have tried other commercial products to fix these leather rips and scratches, but this is by far the best method I've come up with and the cheapest way to do it. It just requires a little patience. If you found this video helpful so far, please consider checking out my channel and subscribe for more videos. As I mentioned before, you can use furniture markers to touch up spots that are discolored. Just quickly apply the color and then smudge and clean it as fast as possible. Here I'm using my fingers to clean it, but you can use a damp rag instead. After I'm done fixing these rips, I like to use a leather conditioner to help condition the leather. I wipe the whole couch down with these conditioner wipes before I apply the next product that will bring life back to the couch and make it look newer again. We can already see that the leather conditioner has brought back some sheen and some life back on the couch just from wiping it with leather conditioner. Next, I use a product called Rejuvenating, which is an acrylic top finish that protects and improves the appearance of your leather. Especially on older couches, it really brings back the leather back to life again. You can apply the Rejuvenating with a rag, but I used a kitchen sponge that doesn't have soap. I'm using as much household products as I can without buying additional stuff. So ideally you should use a rag. I use a sponge here. It doesn't have any soap, so I just put the Rejuvenating on the sponge and I'm going to wipe the whole couch with it. Just keep applying it to the leather and you will instantly see a difference. Rejuvenating comes in neutral or different shades. Pick the shade that matches your couch and use that. This couch is over 14 years old and has taken some abuse, but repairing it and caring for the leather like I have has extended the life of this couch. You can see how great these couches look after 14 years, and I know they have plenty more life left in them. If you, like me, take the time to repair and take the time to care for them. With this simple technique, you can extend the life of your couch. Thank you for watching and check out my channel for other cool videos. And please subscribe for more.